Yo, what's up everyone, it's Raj here, and today we're diving into something a little different. We're talking about AI, but not just the tech itself. We're talking about how you can actually use it to make some serious cash. Now, AI might seem like this complex, futuristic concept, but trust me, it's becoming more accessible every day. And with that accessibility comes a whole world of opportunities to generate income. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just someone looking for innovative ways to boost your income, this video is for you. We'll be breaking down everything from using AI to create content that sells to leveraging its power for smarter investments. We'll even get into building and selling your own AI tools. This is your complete guide to navigating this new frontier of money-making opportunities. So if you're ready to explore the future of earning, buckle up. This is going to be interesting. First up, let's talk about one of the most accessible ways to monetize AI content creation. We're talking about using AI tools to generate high-quality articles, videos, even music. Think about it. Tools like GPT-3 can write articles, scripts, even poetry in a matter of minutes. That's content you can use to build your own audience on platforms like Medium or even here on YouTube. And the best part? These AI tools are getting better by the day, producing content that's often indistinguishable from human written work. But it's not just about written content. AI-powered video editing software can automate tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the creative side. Imagine creating professional-looking videos without needing years of editing experience. And let's not forget about music. AI music generators can compose original tracks in various genres. You can use these for your own projects or even license them out for others to use. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Okay, so you've got this AI-generated content, now what? Well, it's time to turn those digital assets into cold, hard cash. And there are more ways to do that than you might think. One popular option is selling your AI-generated articles to online publications or content platforms. Websites are always hungry for fresh content, and with AI, you can be that content-creating machine they're looking for. Then there's the world of stock footage and photography. AI can generate stunning visuals that you can sell on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every download can translate into passive income for you. And of course, you can't forget about YouTube. AI can help you create engaging scripts, edit your videos, even add subtitles. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips, helping you build a successful channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and more. The key here is to find your niche. Whether it's writing tech reviews, creating explainer videos, or composing music for specific moods, and then let AI amplify your output and reach. Now, before we move on, we need to talk about the elephant in the room, the ethical considerations of AI-generated content. Because with great power comes great responsibility, right? Transparency is key. If you're using AI to create content, it's important to be upfront about it with your audience or clients. Let them know how you're using AI and what role it plays in your creative process. And remember, AI should be a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it entirely. Your unique perspective and voice are what will ultimately set you apart. So, use AI to streamline tasks, explore new ideas, but don't be afraid to inject your own personality and style into everything you create. The bottom line is, AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically. Be transparent, be authentic, and always prioritize quality over quantity. Now, let's move beyond content creation and dive into another exciting realm: AI-powered freelancing. The freelance market is booming, and AI is changing the game in a big way. We're talking about using AI to offer high-demand services like virtual assistants, data analysis, even translation. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are already seeing a surge in freelancers offering AI-powered services. Imagine this. You could have an AI assistant that schedules your meetings, manages your emails, and even drafts professional responses. Or you could leverage AI-powered data analysis tools to provide businesses with actionable insights without needing to be a data scientist yourself. The beauty of this is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to offer these services. Many user-friendly AI tools are designed to empower freelancers with minimal technical expertise. Yo, what's up everyone, it's Raj. Welcome back to this deep dive into making money with AI. Today, we're exploring how AI can supercharge your affiliate marketing earnings. Affiliate marketing is promoting products and earning commissions on referrals. Sounds simple, but doing it effectively is where AI comes in. AI brings serious targeting precision, analyzing user behavior and purchase history. This means higher conversion rates and more money in your pocket. AI can also optimize your entire marketing funnel. There are many platforms with intuitive interfaces to get you started. It's about amplifying your creativity and taking your game to a new level. Now let's talk about one of the heavy hitters in the AI affiliate marketing game, Google's AutoML. This suite of tools is like having Google's own AI expertise on tap, ready to optimize your campaigns. AutoML is surprisingly accessible, even for beginners. It creates highly targeted ad campaigns. We're talking laser-focused targeting. AutoML dives deep into user behavior and interests. This precision means you're not wasting your budget. AutoML continuously analyzes and optimizes your campaigns. It's constantly learning and refining your ads. And the best part, you don't need to be a data scientist. AutoML presents insights in a clear, easy-to-understand dashboard. With just a few clicks, you can connect your accounts, set your budget, and let AutoML work its magic. Optimizing clicks and conversions is crucial, but AI's role in affiliate marketing goes beyond immediate wins. AI helps build long-term sustainable growth. Predictive analytics is key. AI predicts future trends and consumer behavior, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Identify emerging niches before they saturate, gain a competitive edge. AI builds stronger audience relationships, crucial for long-term success. Analyze user engagement data, identify loyal followers, and create targeted campaigns. Personalize the marketing experience, recommend products based on browsing history, and tailor email sequences. AI enhances personalization, building trust and loyalty. AI isn't just for short-term gains, it's a game changer for sustainable growth. Work smarter, not harder, and set yourself up for long-term success in affiliate marketing. So, you've probably interacted with a chatbot before, even if you didn't realize it. They're everywhere, from customer service on your favorite shopping site to those little chat boxes that pop up in the corner of your screen. And it's no surprise, really, when you think about how much more efficient they are. Businesses save time and money, and customers, well, we get instant answers to our questions. But it's not just about answering FAQs anymore. These AI-powered assistants are getting seriously sophisticated. We're talking natural language processing, personalized responses, and even the ability to learn and adapt over time. That's right, they're basically getting smarter with every interaction. Now, this evolution in AI opens up a whole new world of opportunity for anyone looking to make money online. Forget just using chatbots. How about creating and selling them? Platforms like Amazon SageMaker and IBM Watson provide all the tools you need to build your very own AI assistant, even if you don't have a background in coding. And the best part? You can customize these bots for specific industries and niches. Whether it's a chatbot that helps businesses automate their social media or a voice assistant that guides users through complex tasks, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Let's dive into how to get started. Now I know what you might be thinking. Building an AI assistant, that sounds incredibly complicated. But trust me, it's not as daunting as it used to be. Platforms like Amazon SageMaker and IBM Watson have made the process surprisingly accessible. Think of them like those intuitive video editing apps that transformed how we create content. You don't need to be a professional editor to produce high-quality videos, and it's the same with building AI. SageMaker and Watson provide pre-built models and drag-and-drop interfaces that simplify the development process. But don't let the ease of use fool you. These platforms are incredibly powerful. SageMaker, backed by Amazon's machine learning expertise, offers a wide range of tools for building, training, and deploying your chatbot or voice assistant. You can leverage its natural language understanding capabilities to create bots that can understand and respond to human language in a way that feels, well, human. Then there's IBM Watson, a veteran in the AI game. It boasts a comprehensive suite of AI services, including Watson Assistant, designed specifically for building conversational experiences. With its powerful dialogue management and integration capabilities, you can create bots that seamlessly integrate with various platforms and channels. Now let's talk about the money. Once you've built your AI assistant, there are several ways to turn it into a profitable venture. One option is to sell your bots directly to businesses through online marketplaces or even your own website. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. A well-designed chatbot or voice assistant can be a game changer, and many companies are willing to pay a premium for such solutions. You can even offer customization services to tailor your bots to specific business needs, further increasing their value. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking to build a more scalable business, consider offering your chatbot or voice assistant as a subscription-based service. This recurring revenue model can provide a consistent income stream while allowing you to continuously improve your product and attract new customers. The key here is to identify a niche and build a bot that solves a specific problem for that target audience. Whether it's automating customer support for e-commerce stores or providing personalized financial advice, finding your niche can set you up for success in the long run. Now let's talk about a topic that always seems to pique everyone's interest: making money in the stock market. We've all heard the stories, the roller coaster of emotions, the potential for huge wins, and let's be real, the risks involved. But what if I told you there's a way to approach investing with a little more, shall we say, calculated intelligence? This is where AI comes in, bringing a whole new level of sophistication to the game. See, traditional trading often relies on analyzing historical data, identifying patterns, and hoping those patterns repeat. AI, on the other hand, can process massive data sets, identify subtle correlations, and adapt to changing market conditions much faster than any human could. We're talking about algorithms that can analyze news sentiment, social media trends, and even economic indicators to predict market movements. It's like having a team of analysts working around the clock, crunching numbers and uncovering insights that would take humans days, if not weeks, to find. But hold on, before you go thinking this is a guaranteed path to riches, remember that the stock market is inherently unpredictable. AI can give you an edge, but it's not about predicting the future with 100% certainty. Instead, it's about making more informed decisions based on data-driven insights. So how do you actually harness the power of AI for stock trading? Well, this is where things get a little more technical, but stick with me. Open-source platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch have become the go-to tools for building and deploying AI models, including those used for financial analysis. Think of them as the engines behind your AI-powered trading strategies. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is renowned for its scalability and flexibility, making it suitable for building complex models that can handle large datasets. PyTorch, on the other hand, is favored for its ease of use and dynamic computational graphs, making it ideal for research and rapid prototyping. Now, I know coding might seem intimidating, but there are tons of resources available online, from tutorials to pre-built models that can help you get started. And the beauty of these platforms is that you can customize them to fit your specific trading style and risk tolerance. Want to build an AI that focuses on short-term trades based on technical indicators? No problem. Prefer a more long-term approach that factors in fundamental analysis and macroeconomic trends? TensorFlow and PyTorch can handle that too. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of AI-powered trading, it's crucial to understand both the risks and rewards involved. On the one hand, the potential for returns is undoubtedly enticing. AI can help you identify profitable trades, optimize your portfolio, and even automate your trading strategies to capitalize on market opportunities as they arise. But here's the thing. The stock market is a complex beast, influenced by countless factors, many of which are unpredictable. Even the most sophisticated AI models can't account for black swan events or sudden market shifts. That's why it's crucial to approach AI-powered trading with a healthy dose of caution. Start by thoroughly researching and understanding the platforms and tools you'll be using. Backtest your AI models extensively using historical data to assess their performance and identify potential weaknesses. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one AI-powered basket. It's also crucial to stay informed about market trends and news, even when relying on AI. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill and knowledge of the user. So there you have it. A look at how artificial intelligence is changing the game when it comes to making money. From generating content to building chatbots and even navigating the complexities of the stock market, AI is opening up a world of possibilities for anyone willing to embrace it. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying it. By understanding how these tools work and using them strategically, you can unlock new income streams, automate tasks, and gain an edge in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how to leverage technology to boost your income. See you in the next video.